Model routing, model switching, and mixture of agents are three different architectures with three different price tags, and because teams use the names interchangeably, most of them are paying the wrong bill. Let's separate them once, cleanly. Here is what the confusion costs. Pick multi-agent orchestration for simple copy edits and you pay coordination overhead on every request. Pick a single fast model for a security-sensitive change and you pay in rework, which costs more. There is also a vocabulary trap. Mixture of experts sounds like mixture of agents but lives inside one model. Internal expert paths selected automatically, invisible to you, not a choice you make. The choice you do make is between three mechanisms. Mechanism 1, routing. The system picks the right model per task before work starts. A small fast model for label copy, a stronger one for permission logic in a large code base, selection keys of cost, latency, user tier, or risk. This is the default efficiency play for high volume. One model per step, minimal overhead. The trade-off: quality is capped at what one model can judge alone. Mechanism 2, switching. One thread, different models in sequence. A fast coding model drafts the UI, an architecture model designs the data layer, a stricter model reviews. Simple to implement, cheaper than full orchestration, right for phased work where each phase has one clear executor. The trade-off: every handoff can drop context if the state you pass is incomplete. Mechanism 3, mixture of agents, specialized agents, a planner, a front-end agent, a back-end agent, a security reviewer, each with a role, tools, and boundaries, working the same request, and a lead agent synthesizing one answer. Get the operational vocabulary straight here. An agent is a model plus a role and tool access. Workers execute actions like tests and deploys, and skills are the reusable procedures that guide them. In production stacks, this is LangGraph for stateful orchestration with LightLM or OpenRouter handling cross-provider model access. The trade-off is honest. More calls, more coordination, higher cost per request, bought back as fewer expensive reversals on changes that span security, data correctness, and release confidence. All three are defensible. Drifting into one by default is not. The Monday directive: split your task queue in two, throughput tasks and verification critical tasks. Route the throughput, copy edits, narrow code changes to the cheapest model that passes your quality bar. Reserve mixture of agents for requests where rework costs more than coordination, and make that a named list, not a vibe. Put cost per request next to defect rate on one dashboard. That pairing decides the architecture. And write the 4 words, model, agent, worker, skill, into your engineering docs this week, so the next debate is about trade-offs, not terms. One claim, 3 mechanisms, 1 dashboard. If your team argues about these terms, send them this video instead.